Adding music to your video in Davinci Resolve and syncing it perfectly is a great way to enhance your project. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add music in Davinci Resolve and merging it with video time. So I'm going to walk you through step-by-step guide to help you achieve that. So the first thing you have to do is import music. So for you to be able to import music, you have to download your desired music file to your PC. In Davinci Resolve, go to the media page, click on file, then after that import media and select your music file. After that you have to add the music to timeline. So for you to be able to add music to timeline, switch to the edit page, drag your imported music from the media pool and drop it on to an audio track below your video clips. After that, next thing in line is to sync music with the video. Now listen to the music and video, listen to the your music and video, and also you can also cut and move the music to match the video sense. Now after that, you can find the beat of the music and cut it on the third beat, and after that then copy the music segment and align it with the original. Now after that, you're gonna have to adjust the volume. Now click on the music track and adjust the volume in the inspector panel or the audio page to ensure it complements your video. And this is the best way to add music in Davinci Resolve and merging it with the video time. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.